looked good. I just got back from the family outing that I was at, which I did my makeup for, and they got ready with me. And I was supposed to film an intro and outro when I got back. And then I got back and it was really cold and my feet were like numb and my hands were also numb. And then I just put this on and I forgot. And I also rubbed my eyes several times. So I will look good in about a minute. So just wait for that. Today's video is just a fun, quick little video. And by quick little, I mean that the value production is very low. On how I do my sleek back hair, which is the main focal point of this video. And also I just showed you like some makeup that I did. I wanted to be like a cute little video of just someone getting ready in their room. We all do it. We all look different doing it. So I was like, why not show it? And I think I'll do this more because I love just putting on makeup and being home. I love getting all dressed up like when the event is not that serious. It puts less pressure to like take pictures and stuff. I don't know. I just really like beating my face. I think it's therapeutic and I wanted to film it for you guys. So yeah guys, I'm about to go to sleep, edit this video. Make sure you subscribe and like this video and follow me on my social media if you want to. And let's get started. Horrible person for not properly finishing this video. My camera died, so I had to put it to charge, and then I never filmed another clip of my makeup because it was nighttime and I was going out, and then I got home really late with my family, so I never got to finish it. But I'll insert some pictures and clips here and then the video will be done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I wanted to do a fun little in my room kind of getting ready with me video. If you guys follow me on social media, you guys would know that I've been going through it, been going through some personal things, so I really didn't feel like doing a voiceover. I don't know, music is my world right now. It's what makes me feel better, so I just wanted to make a video and just put music over it and just have a good time editing this video. Let's get to the montage, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below, and yeah. Back and stuff.
Yeah, seriously, he's perfect.
You guys have to do a mukbang, don't you know? It's where you like set up like that and then
said that make sure when you ever get sushi, make sure you get spicy mayo. So I got spicy mayo.
Swallow it. Bobby's hot.
Looking good still. Say she like my fit, knowing damn well it's from Goodwill. You know. I don't need to try, cause frankly, if this the ocean, we going deep for a good swim. Swim good. No shallow waters, heavy hearted, I've been watching my way. My pocket's empty, I've been waiting on